So let's also talk about some of the challenges. Suppose so far we've touched upon all the undoubtedly beneficial aspects of moving to microservices. I think that's pretty good motivation to decide in favor of moving. What could be some things that somebody has to bear in mind before they get too excited and just want to jump? Uh,
I think there can be many actually, but I think when you talk about microservices, the first major thing that you should identify is, the communication interfaces between these services. Earlier, if you are on monoliths, they are tightly coupled. Anything that you change, you know what is going to change, and hence there is clarity in the entire team of what's happening, right? But in microservices, if a microservice is built by a set of 4 people, another microservice by another set of 4 people, and if they don't communicate with each other, and if they use the same data layer or same databases to communicate and save data or retrieve data from administrator, and if one of those teams modifies the data structure or database schema, or if the communication interface between service 1 and service 2, if it was earlier using JSON and we want to migrate it to XML or whatever, right, or a custom protocol, then or even within JSON, if you have just changed one field name, you
Right.
capitalize something, let's say, the service is broken, it doesn't work anymore, right? So the communication interface is primary. Then the team sizes. What is your team size? What do they specialize in? What tech capabilities do they have? Are they ready for the distributed computing issues which come with distributed computing? Can you debug faster? Are you ready for debugging at that scale and fixing problems? And what are the operational costs? You're now doing more microservices, right? It was only earlier 1, now it is 100, let's say. Your operational overhead is more. Are they ready for that? And what kind of automation can you put in place? How do you do alerts and monitoring? All this stuff are things that you want to, think about before, you jump onto this.
So it sounds like, it's an attractive proposition, but at the same time, it also sounds like it has to be done carefully. It has to be done with lots of planning and foresight.
Correct. Yes,
And
lots
no
of
small
planning
amount of,
and well thought out structure.
and
Yeah,
also I think the collaboration and the whole, human to human
human to human
communication,
interactions. Correct.
collaboration
Communication.
also could be like an issue which has to be like totally in control and managed well.
Correct.